Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amy and I travel pretty much full time while making content. I just got back from a trip to Copenhagen, which is kind of crazy because it was just a couple days ago. I'm now in Wales and I'm packing up to go to Morocco. I cannot wait to be back. It's a part of Morocco I've never been to before and it's gonna be so much fun. The thing about Morocco is they dress a little bit more conservatively than I typically dress. So I have to get everything together and figure out what to wear, especially because the forecast is looking very, very hot. So wish me luck. Let's get started on the packing and let me show you everything I'm bringing. Okay, so I don't really have anything organized or packed up yet. I'm just gonna start and get going by pulling out my backpack and showing you what backpack I'm bringing. I can bring at least one big one, so let me just grab that. So I'm gonna be taking this 40-liter backpack or 45-liter backpack. It is from Nordis. They don't make the same one anymore, but I have a discount code for their backpacks and stuff. If you guys are interested, I will leave it in the description box. This already has a couple things inside, so I am just gonna pull what's out of here and then get everything kind of organized and show you what I'm thinking of putting in here. It's gonna be a 2-week trip and I have to think lightweight, loose, comfortable. So let me just get a couple of things together and I will show you what I'm packing away in this backpack. Okay, so this is the current state of things. It's a bit crazy. I am trying to get everything together, but we are starting with some linen pants. I got these thrifted. They are, I think, Tommy Hilfiger, but they're just any sort of linen pants will do. They are nice and lightweight, white, so they go with everything. These have been a staple for my travels in general, but they are really good for Morocco, so they're definitely coming with. I also have these Old Navy, like loose green pants that I also wore to Morocco before. I think I'm gonna bring them as well just to have another option because they are loose, they're comfortable, they're pretty lightweight as well. And I can't forget these really loose black pants I got when I was in Cambodia. They are really thin, so they're perfect for this type of trip and just really light as well, the lightest of all three. So it's really good on a hot day, just so you're not wearing too much clothing, but you're still covered. Now I've also got a couple dresses. I wore this one last time I was in Morocco and I think the colors are kind of perfect for it. It's just bright, colorful. I got it used from a girl who does travel content as well, who's actually also Canadian, who was selling some of her clothes in Montreal. So I got this for a really good price at the time. I think it's perfect for Morocco, so it's definitely coming. I also have this dress, which has sleeves. Again, it's not too short as well, so this is okay. It's not like the best dress to have in Morocco, but I think it works. Next, I have this cream colored one that I love and got from a market in South Africa. It's just so beautiful. It can be all wrinkled up because that's kind of the style of it. So it's really good for travel. And this is good for evenings if it's going to be a little cooler with a cardigan, or if I have a scarf I can wrap around my shoulders because yeah, I wouldn't have my shoulders out probably, but this is still just a good option to have for a dress. So it's coming. All right, so I got this little scarf from my Nana's closet recently, and I'm gonna take this so I can kind of wrap it around with a dress like the one I just showed you, or I can put it on a head as like a headscarf if I need to, and just like cover my head when it's too hot. I think this is perfect. It's also really, really light. Okay, then of course I'm gonna bring PJs for the trip. I have this set that I've had for ages. I think I got it from Aerie a long time ago, or Garage or something, but yeah, it's just easy to wear. It's gonna be hot, so hopefully this will be good. Not that I'm really gonna need a sweater, but I might get cool at one of the destinations in the evening. It's gonna be colder on the coast when we get to one city, so I might bring this cardigan. It is like a little bit thicker and not super necessary, but I could wear it on the plane. And it's just good to cover up if I need to. Okay, so of course I'm gonna bring some skirts. I think I'm gonna bring this one. I also just thrifted this one a while ago. It is a bit short, but it's meant to be like a little bit more low-waisted, so it's not, it goes to about my knee probably, which is okay, and I'll wear that with some sort of top, not quite sure yet. I love using this white one as well. It's not too thick. It is double lined, so it's like a little more thick than some of my other ones, but it is a good length too, so I can wear this a lot. And one of my favorite skirts that I have is one that I got from a vintage shop in in Cardiff, Wales. It is this one. It's fully, like, it's full length and I wear it all the time when I'm traveling. I love it so much. It goes with a lot of stuff, so bringing that too. Oh, and I also recently got this little grandma cardigan, which I don't know if it's going to be necessary as well, so it might not come, but I do think it could be really cute in the evening if I want to cover my shoulders and it's a bit cooler. So I might bring this one depending on what the temperatures are looking like. Now I feel like I have to have shorts with me, so I might bring a couple. I have this pair of jean ones I'm still undecided about. I cut them from just regular jeans into shorts. They're really nice Wrangler ones, but they might be too thick and hot for the temperature, so this is a maybe at the moment. But I do have these green lightweight shorts I can wear. They also are a little bit longer, so I'll probably bring these too. So when it comes to shirts, I'm usually a crop top, tank top type of girl, but I have to be a little bit more covered, so I'm thinking linen shirts. I love wearing loose linen shirts, and I happen to have quite a few of them. So first one is this green one. I share all of these with my boyfriend, Sam, but he doesn't need them right now, so I'm gonna wear these. This one, really nice, good as like a beach cover up as well. Can go with all the skirts I brought. I also really like this one. It's Marks & Spencer, really cool design. I'm gonna bring this too. This one's not linen, I think it's silk, but it's lightweight, so it's good. Then I just have this basic tan colored one, which is also really good for hot weather. And I have another one. This one's a little bit small. I think it shrunk a bit, but I like this one too, so I'm gonna bring it as well. I decided I am gonna bring a couple tank tops because on the coast you can be wearing a little like less conservative clothing, so I'm gonna bring some. I might also ask Sam's sister, who I'm going on the trip with, to borrow some shirts that she has just to have some options. But for now, I'm gonna pack these, and then I'm gonna show you a roundup of everything I've packed at the end. I might have to also film some tomorrow when I get to their place, and then I can get a couple extra things and show you the final packing situation. Forgot that I'm gonna have to have some bathing suits as well, because there's gonna be pools that we can use, and we can also swim on the coast. So I have one that I always bring with me is this kind of green and white one that I love. It's reversible, so the outside is like this, and then the inside is green. And I just love it. It goes with everything, and green is one of my favorite colors. And I recently got this bathing suit from this company, So Swim. Wasn't trying to make this an ad, but I would love to work with them. They are a UK company, and I just got this bikini. I haven't worn it yet, and it is so beautiful. It's a dark green and brown, so yeah, just really cute for pretty much anywhere. And because I have some extra room for this trip, I'm probably gonna bring my journal. I haven't really been very good at using it lately, but I wanna get back into it. And also a new book. I love this author. She's Canadian, really easy read. She hooks you from the beginning. They're like good beach summer reads. So I'm gonna bring this for the flight and probably finish it very quickly. So yeah, I'm gonna bring this as well. I might have to do some work, so I'm gonna bring a laptop, my chargers, and all of that. And also going to bring this camera. I usually shoot my YouTube videos when I'm sitting down with this camera, but it's definitely a good one for photography, so I'm gonna bring this. Also gonna be bringing my mini little DJI drone with me. I have another video where I showed my first impressions of this. I wanna use it more, so I'm gonna bring it and hopefully get some good content with this bad boy. When it comes to shoes, I'm probably only gonna bring these Birkenstocks. They're pretty gross and dirty because I wear them all the time. They are my main travel shoe. I have gone through 3 of these, I think, in the past couple of years. So They just work so perfectly for every place I go to, and you can slide them on and they're so comfortable. Highly recommend. They're also not that expensive because they're like rubber plasticky, so you can wear them forever and they are waterproof. So bringing these, I might wear some shoes, but I feel like because it's going to be so hot, I'm really only going to need these. Okay, I am back. I have just kind of packed up everything I need. I am gonna find you guys though when I am back in Cambridge so that I can show you what I'm packing toiletry wise and a few additional things that I'm adding in. But for the most part, everything is loose, flowy, lightweight to help me get through the heat, and you will see how I do when I actually get to Morocco. But I will see you guys tomorrow when I finalize all the packing. Good morning. I am now in Cambridge and just packing up to get everything ready for this trip to Morocco. As you can see, it's a little bit of a mess. So I'm going to go through everything and finalize my packing, show you what I'm going to bring for my toiletries and how I've packed everything, and get ready to go to the airport. Okay, so I have got everything pretty much packed up now. Let me give you a full rundown of how I've packed my backpack and toiletries so you can see everything I'm bringing. All right, so here is the backpack, and I pretty much just put my bikinis in here, one hat. I have my microfiber towel in here, and I also have a little laundry bag to put stuff in. Then when you open it up, it's not the most organized, but I have my PJs here. All my like little tops and linen tops are here in this little cardigan. And here in this packing cube, it's all the skirts, the shorts, and pants. So all my bottoms are there. And then I have my shoes just on the side in case we do hiking. And that is my toiletry bag. Let's look into it. For toiletries, I don't usually take a bag like this, but it actually is really convenient, this wash bag. So when I open it up, I just have my hairbrush and deodorant. My makeup, it's mostly just like concealer, some bronzer. I have my allergy pills and Q-tips, floss, toothbrush, toothpaste, moisturizer, face sunscreen, another concealer that I like to use, a little highlighter, makeup brush, another makeup brush. This is a really old blush. My eyebrow stuff, oil of oregano, just in case I feel like I'm getting a bit sick. This does wonders. Just a comb for my hair, little razor, and this has my shampoo and conditioner bar from Lush. So this is gonna go in here, and I'm just gonna zip it all up. This will go over like this. That's done. Okay, also this front pouch here, I have a little lock for a locker at the hostels we might be staying at. And then all I have left is this little backpack that will be my personal item, and inside it I have my camera, and it has a nice big lens in there, so it's pretty heavy. I've also put my drone, it's just in here. This pouch right here just has some documents, my GoPro, and that's about it. And then of course the rest of this stuff, just I'm gonna eat this apple. I have some nuts, cards, book, laptop will all go in here, and that's it. And I have also changed into my airport outfit, just a light sweater with some leggings so that I am warm enough on the plane. So now I'm pretty much ready to go, and we're gonna be leaving soon. So I'm just gonna wrap up a bit of work, edit some YouTube videos, and I will see you guys next time in Morocco. So make sure you subscribe because I will be putting up 2 videos every single week. Thanks so much for making it all the way to the end, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.